Today I'm just going to show you how you can view or see deleted WhatsApp messages by the user. Let's say someone sent you a message and then they delete the message. They didn't want you to read the message, but you still want to know what will they say. And let's say you were in an argument and then someone just sent you a message and then they delete that message and you want to know what that person was saying or talking about. You can see that message. So let's go into it and see how you can delete that message. So all you just need to do, guys, you can come to your Play Store and then you download a certain application that I'm going to show you. So you come here to the search box and then you say write Notisave, like so. So once you've written Notisave, this is the one that I want. So with this icon, you can see. And then once you have that, and then you install the application. So once the application is installed, I'll show you the steps that you can take to see those messages. So now that our application is installed, all you just need to do is you come to this option here and then you open your application like so. So I'm just going to take you step by step on how you can configure it on the settings. So this is where you come on notifications. It's saying save notifications, and then all you just need to do is let's go back. We don't want to update yet. So you press this and then you just read this and then you press the option for next year and then you allow notifications like so. And then once you have allowed the notifications, you press the next button like so. And then once you have pressed the notification button, you see there's an option here for Notisave. So you have to turn it on and then you allow anti-save. You see, so I've just allowed it. Once you have allowed it and then you go back like so, it will ask you here to allow it to access photos, media and files. So we're just going to say allow. So you see here it's loading here on applications. So these are the applications that we have allowed it to access. So now you just have to activate and then you deactivate it again here so that we don't block the status bar on all these applications. So once that is done, all you just need to do is go back like so. So you see here it's showing us some certain messages. So let's come here and then to WhatsApp and then let's try to send some messages here on WhatsApp. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to try and send a message to. So I'm just going to send a message to Leslie work here. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to say hi. How are you? Hi Lee. Okay, let me just say hi Lee, and then I send that message to him. So once the message is sent, so I'm just going to show you on the other WhatsApp here. So this is the message that I just sent, which is saying hi Lee. So I've got two WhatsApps on my phone. I just installed another one for this tutorial. So now we have this message. So I'm just going to that other WhatsApp, and then I'm just going to delete that message here. So this is the message. So I'm just going to delete it here like so, and then we delete for everyone. So once it's deleted here, we go to that other WhatsApp and then we check here. It's showing that that message is no longer available. There is only these messages here. So now all you just need to do is go to that application now, and then this is the application that you want, Notisave, and then we open Notisave. So once we have opened the Notisave and then you open it like so, you see here it's saying highly. You see, that's the message that we just deleted. So on all these other platforms, the message is deleted. But if you come here, you can see problem solved. Are you happy? Okay, so now on this same application, you can do a lot of things. Let's say someone, you don't want a person that's sending you message to know that you have read that message. You don't want to reply them. So you can do as well some tricks here. That person, we can come here and okay, let's try to send another message from this side, and then we just say good. You see, like so, and then we send this message good, like so, and then you can open that application again, and then you can open that application Notisave here, and you can reply from here. You see, so You see, I can just say yes. You see, so now if this person opens the message, you see, it's good, and then we've just replied yes. And you see, this person will never know that we have read this message, because on their WhatsApp we did not read anything. So this is the other option that you can use as well. Let's say if you want to hide your identity, like to hide the person that you're sending the message to know that you have read the message. You can just read it and you don't reply. You can choose what you want. Okay, let's say someone have sent you these messages as well, and now you want to save these messages for proof. So all you can just do is you can come here, and then you come to Notisave like so, and then you can go back a bit, you see, like so, and then you can long press this user, and you can see here at the top there's an option here for download here, and you can choose where you want to save them. So you can choose either to send them on Google Drive or wherever that you want to save, or you can send to another WhatsApp or to Gmail, whatever that you need to do, and then you'll be able to save those messages. I hope, guys, your problems are solved on WhatsApp, because a lot of guys, they are hiding things, they're deleting things and stuff, but you can go back around and you can read all those and see all those messages. Thank you guys again for watching. It's Prince. Thank you.